Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing heart rate zones on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, heart rate zones are calculated for you. Heart rate zones are a percentage of your maximum heart rate and are automatically calculated and personalized using your health data, but you can manually change the heart rate zones on your watch if you like. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings and tap workout. Then scroll down the workout settings and tap heart rate zones. Tap manual to manually add your heart rate zones. Tap on the zone that you would like to change. Then tap on the current heart rate. You can then use the plus and minus or the digital crown to change the heart rate. Tap Done to save the heart rate. For some heart rate zones, you can change the lower and upper limits. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.